Okay. You know what? Fine. I'll leave. Don't worry. I'll leave.
Okay, great. Share it with America. They'll take care of you.
You know what? Fuck you, kid. Fuck you.
Did you really just say that?
Yeah, I did. I just said fuck you. How fucking dare you? After all I've given you, like my life, my love, my body, like I broke my fucking vagina on that big fucking head of yours. And I had to be surgically sewn back together. But I bet you didn't know that, did you? And just effing staying with your father after all these years, all these condescending, just my loves. He treated me like a 5-year-old. And I'm sick of it. I am sick of it. I want happiness. I earned happiness. I'm a fucking human being. And you know what? Don't even get me started on my career. Don't bitch at me about my fucking career. Little miss, I'm so progressive. Like I worked my ass off to be where I am. I wanted it. I earned it. I wanted to be something in this world. I didn't know it was a fucking crime. And you know what? Give me my fucking pizza. This is my goddamn pizza. Fuck you, kid.